everybody, my name is Andrea Normanni. I am the sales manager of BGlog Italy and co-founder of BGlog UK. We have decided to make this video because we want to share with our followers some information about our branch in the UK. So I'm very happy to introduce you Mr. Andy Coles, branch manager of BGlog UK. Hi Andy, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Andrea. Fine, thank you.
Okay, so please, Andy, can you explain us who is BGlog UK and how is born it?
Of course, no problem at all. I'll be happy to. So BGlog UK are suppliers of modular solutions for industrial and manufacturing applications. These include flow racking, mobile and static materials handling trolleys, and task-related workstations, just to name but a few. The company was formed in December 2020 due to a gap appearing in the marketplace and very few competitors within the UK offering this service. So the need to provide a credible alternative was clearly an opportunity that was not to be missed. So in the face of incredibly difficult trading conditions, as I'm sure we all know and understand, we took the leap. Many companies now that I speak to have to generate 3 quotes within the tendering process. And now we can provide that alternative for them, where historically this was not always the case due to the limited amount of facilitators. BGlog are centrally located within the UK, providing easy access to transport routes, enabling us to keep carriage costs to a minimum. BGlog also managed to retain some of the UK skill sets required to assemble our products, with the creation of jobs for our trained technicians able to deliver a highly professional product every time. To date, we've delivered 100% on time in full, with 0 defects and 0 rejects. Our team operates in a safe working environment, and I'm more than happy to come to work every day, as am I.
Great. So we talked a little bit about you. So can you explain us your role and your experience in BGlog UK?
Yes, of course. So I'm the UK site managing director of the business, and I have over 25 years experience in senior manufacturing and operational roles within multiple industries across printing, composites and carbon fiber, and aerospace. I'm also trained in CI and lean techniques, which is really valuable, and then therefore I can help provide an expert advice in interpreting our clients' requirements at source. So I can talk the same language, I can interpret exactly what's needed and provide advice rather than coming and consulting with outside agencies. With my experience in client-facing roles as well, I can also help them with discussing feasibility studies, and then therefore taking it into the next transition for design, and then also into production and delivery. So I have a complete understanding of what's going on around the business. I know our capacity, I can understand what we can and what we can't do. I'm making sure that we're efficient in our own business as well.
Great. The very last question, Andy. We are living in a very particular moment with COVID issue and Brexit for UK. So can you tell us which is the current situation in the UK for our market, which kind of company you are talking with, and how you see the future for BGlog UK?
So the core business in our style of solution had historically centred around automotive and aerospace industries, both OEMs and sub-chain tiered supply chain facilities. But in recent years, more and more businesses in different arenas have found that adopting lean improvement techniques have benefited their output and helped streamline their production as a whole, removing key wastes and processes. Therefore, as this expansion had happened, the net effect has been our range of solutions are being utilised at a wider range of manufacturing facilities, such as food service equipment, medical supply chain, and the leisure sector. Aerospace and automotive sectors, however, still remain key markets for us, and we still have seen identifiable growth in both sectors in terms of forward production planning after a period of negative growth following the effect of the COVID pandemic and parts shortages. So the UK business as a whole Our manufacturing strategy as a whole may have changed over the last 12 months or 18 months because of COVID and its effects, but we really have a wide range of facilities that we can offer in terms of designs and solutions. It has proved, therefore, that in many ranges of manufacturing facilities and storage systems that we're being asked to quote on nowadays, that it is transferable, not just in automotive and aerospace. So our target market is really lean engineers, manufacturing engineers, and NPI engineers, or anyone that carries a responsibility to improve processes within the manufacturing environment. And we also reach out to facilities teams and site team leaders with our range of information cubes and KPI metric reporting boards. This helps key stakeholders have a visual aid and a point of focus for teams to regularly discuss such things as safety, quality, cost, delivery, and people. All key attributes that every business needs to report on. So the UK market, whilst it has been quite difficult in trading terms, there are facilities that are using our businesses and our solutions. That has just changed focus over the last 18 months. But now that focus is coming back again. Key growth in automotive, key growth in aerospace, which have really suffered over the last 18 months and 2 years. Therefore, that's how we see our future path, supporting these businesses, as well as diversifying into key areas that I've also mentioned.
Okay, Andy, thank you very much for your time. It has been a pleasure to talk with you. I wish you and your team all the best, and as BGlog said, be clever, work better.
Absolutely. Thank you very much indeed.
Bye.
Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.